What is going on, Crypto Bulletin? Welcome to another video. A lot of you guys actually asked me to start making videos on coins that I feel like are going to go parabolic as soon as I call them. Now, we're going to be taking a look at KACY. I want to give you guys a quick background of what KACY is, where I feel it's going to go, what is the potential of this coin. If you're following me on TG, if you're following me on X, you guys literally know I made this awesome call very early for you guys, like around 4 mil here. So a lot of you guys were able to write this up, and as right now it's sitting like at 30 mil. So let me give you guys a quick background. So as you guys know, throughout the entire week, we've been having some really good coins coming out of TikTok. One of the most important coins that came out is called ChillGuy. Currently, right now, we take a look at ChillGuy, and I'm gonna compare to this and another coin real quick. If we take a look at ChillGuy, and we go to the 15-minute here, you're gonna notice this actually just went from pretty much bottom all the way to almost half a mil. Unfortunately, the artist behind the ChillGuy coin kind of like dished off a little bit of the crypto space. So this took a massive dip to like 150, 150, and then it traced back to 500. A really good coin, and we're comparing this one because this is a TikTok also as well. We're gonna compare it to another one, but I want to give you guys a quick background. So what happened with this coin? This coin got launched really fast, and the owner of the art, which is KACY right here, actually embraced the crypto community, and he put the ticker on his actual profile, and he also put it on his TikTok. If you guys go to his TikTok, which is Mark KACY, you're gonna notice that he has some really amazing art, really amazing animation, and the cool thing about this is the fact that he's able to create this art constantly. Okay, so this is literally art created just a few hours ago. Kind of going over of him talking about the coin. He is completely new to the space. So if you go to his X account, people were kind of walking him through on how to set up a Photon wallet. The community actually sent him some tokens so he could have invested, and he's super invested, as you guys hear, creating art constantly as he's going here. Tell me the truth. I'm ready to hear it. I sold too early, so really cool art that he has here. And we were actually able to spot this because of bullocks. So if you don't have bullocks, definitely make sure you guys click the link down below and check the bullocks to you guys. He also has merch that he's gonna be selling. He's gonna try and figure out how to sell this with crypto. So really cool art, really cool stuff, and really supported. So the question is like, how far can this go? What are we talking about? So the great thing about these particular coins is the fact that this attracts a lot of normies. It attracts a lot of people who aren't into crypto due to the fact that he has such a big account on TikTok. He has over half 5 mil followers. Just think about like at least 10% of this people actually joining crypto, maybe even more. That's just him onboarding brand new people, and not talking about CT, which is kind of like pretty much almost everybody, every KOL, everybody's talking about crypto. Actually, my boy Nate here, he's actually talking about there were some coins that were sent to him. He actually sold all those coins and transferred them over to KACY coin, which is really awesome. Also, I want to mention Nate because he actually referenced that this looks very similar to Fog. So that's one of the coolest comparisons we could get, so you guys can get an idea. Basically, the two comparisons to this coin are coins like this one's already at hit 800 mil. It got listed at a couple exchanges, but you guys can get the idea of the comparison. So one comparison is 700 mil, the other comparison it's at 500 mil. Currently right now KACY is at 30 mil. So we call this at 4 mil, which is actually pretty crazy. We've done some cool multiples already. But with that being said, how high can this go? So my perspective on this one is I feel like this hits 100. I don't know if it's going to hit 100 today. It's going to be tomorrow. The more this goes up, the more likelihood this is going to go up because the volume on this is actually pretty crazy. We look at the volume, it's right now it's at 14 mil. But if we check DEX, we'll kind of get a actually I could check here on the pump here. If we go to KACY here, where is KACY right here. Currently right now the volume is 84 mil. So that's just crazy volume, guys. And the more volume this starts picking up, the crazier things are going to get. So right now I think this is like the coin of the night and throughout the week. So if you guys are not in KACY, highly recommend you guys check it out. CA is down below. But that is my perspective on how high this could go. After it hits 100 mil, like the sky's pretty much the limit, guys. And you see, guys, this keeps going up and up and up. So make sure you guys follow on X, follow on YouTube, and follow on the TG. If you want to check out a latest video of what other coins to buy, check it out on YouTube as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.